Good evening, everybody. I hope all is well. I got off work about an hour ago. Stopped at a gas station close by. Topped off the generator for tomorrow. Batteries are fully charged now, and I get to test them. Hopefully, I won't need the generator much longer. But anyway, tonight I'm at the local Walmart again, just because it's a nice sunny spot in the morning for the solar panels. All four of them up on the roof. Hopefully they'll charge my batteries a lot quicker than just two of them, of course. But anyway, it's dinner time. 2 o'clock in the morning. I worked all evening. I'm hungry. I'm gonna try me a little bit of coconut breaded butterfly shrimp in the air fryer. I'm gonna put these in the pan back here with some butter and see how those turn out, and probably either just dump them on a steak or two or dice it up and put it in with it. I don't know yet. We'll see how this turns out. Anyway, just a quick short saying hey, hope all is well. Until next time, happy trails.